Hello, my name is Joe Salome. I'm president of Grandview Construction, and I'm here with Project Superintendent Mark Torres, and we're reviewing the progress of the renovation of Dr. J. Hollander's suite. We're renovating it in a 2-week time frame on the campus of Beaumont Hospital, medical office building. It was a challenging project. We've had to completely renovate the suite in a very short period of time. I'm going to turn over the narrative a little bit now to Mark Torres, the project superintendent, and he'll explain some of the more technical details of what needed to be done in this 2-week time frame.
Hi, I'm Mark with Grandview Construction, project manager, Suite 407 MOB. Big project, short amount of time, demolition of a series of walls. We tore this wall down, which ended up being a fire clay brick wall. Rebuilt this wall to expand this space here, infill the door, and maintain the bathroom for the procedures that need to be done back here. Replacing a flooring, redoing all of the walls and wallpaper. They're still working on these last few rooms here to complete. And new millwork and cabinets, adding in new exam room sinks for the physicians. Part of the process with that is also getting verification and shutdown notices through. And also during our process here, prior to the start of our construction, we brought in a testing company that went through the suite and did verifications on anything that was asbestos related or lead paint. And there was some found asbestos in the VCT flooring. And we hired a company to come in to do the abatement. And while doing the abatement, we had a contained area, and we hired an air quality control company that would monitor any of the air particles of asbestos or lead paint throughout the process while the additional contractors were working in the same areas.
To keep them at safe levels?
Yes.
To make sure we kept everything at a safe level. Okay, great.
So the work this year, this is just a new physician office for the doctors to do their paperwork and callbacks. And then in here, this is the new waiting room, still under construction. This is an existing wall which we tore down and opened up for them and put a new drop ceiling in to expand their waiting room. New reception area over here. And new carpeting, wallpaper, again, some walls finished, some are not. All the contractors hired all work very well together.
What was required of, what did Beaumont require us to do with any of the trades here?
The requirement with Beaumont was to make sure everyone was union, everybody was professional, safe, they knew the procedures of Beaumont.
Explain what we're doing here now. What type of adhesive is that you're putting down on the floor?
4300. It's a premium glue.
Premium glue?
Yeah, for a pattern.
Mark, I understand that the adhesive that was used for the old carpeting was somehow difficult to remove?
Oh, extremely. It was what probably happened from our carpet supplier. So they probably throughout the years had replaced the carpet before, and when they came in and put the new carpet on, they used a strong glue, not an adhesive, which pretty much bonded the carpet to the floor. And they actually needed to come in here and bring a machine to do the pulling of the carpet up.
Don't we normally use a mechanized?
No. Typically, you just grab the end of the carpet, pull it back, and it comes right up.
So we just ran into some unique challenges in removing the old carpeting?
Yeah, I mean, it's unforeseen because when we first started, we were unable to do any test areas of the adhesion of the existing carpet at the time because they were still working, and the day we actually started was the day that at 5 o'clock at night when they closed down is when we started their demolition.
And this area is what?
This area is a new reception and area and checkout. EMAs will be working here. This is a new checkout over here. Reason for the modification here, there was a existing door here and an existing exit door that was here, and it was just too congested because of the wheelchairs and accessibility. So we opened this all up here, eliminated the door over here, shifted this door down, and built a new checkout area.
Okay, and about how many square feet are we renovating overall here?
Approximately, I would say it's about 4,300 to 4,600 square feet.
Okay. Good work. And then you can remind us one more time, how many days were we given to do the project?
Originally, they asked us to do it in 1 week, and because they needed to be back in here and reset up and be at full staff, I told them it was going to be impossible because they would have to be restocking and taking everything down every night so we can get in at night. So because of the holiday, it fell at the following week was the holiday week for Easter. I requested the additional week, and it worked out to where we got that additional week to get this all done.
And how much overtime have you done? I mean, have you had to work later hours or?
We've been working basically every day, night and day. I've been here myself some days 16, 17 hours straight, and working weekends, Saturday and Sunday.
And you had we had an additional superintendent assisting.
Yes.
Tim Clog was helping us oversee the job as well.
Yes, because at that time too, I couldn't be here and at another job.
Okay, so just a quick wrap up. This is a medical office building build out for Dr. Hollander through Michigan Institute of Urology at Beaumont Hospital. We want to thank them for giving us the opportunity to work here in their facility, and we hope, we believe we're going to meet the 2-week time frame, and hope that I'm sure we'll do a very satisfactory job, and we'll get some pictures of our finished product when it's done.